What's going on, everybody? Tony with 2K Auto Detailing here. Wanted to show y'all what we're doing today. I'm gonna get messed up here. We got like 7 cars today, so we're just starting on the first few. Might be kind of loud because of my generator's loud. I'm working on getting something different. Solar panels to go on top, so I don't have to hear this all the time. But just now washing this Mercedes, finishing up right now. Gotta do the wheels and stuff like that. It's good to have spot-free water because it makes it easier to clean. You don't have to do a lot. But see, go over here. Let's go mess with Keiko real quick. She act like she don't want to be on the camera. Look, I'm gonna get her anyway. Look, watch this. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Oh, the work. I am working. This is working. Got to show the people what we're doing. Anyway, got a few more cars today. It's already hot. I'm already sweating. Just trying to get everything ready to go. Give y'all an update what we're doing for the next few days. Gonna be busy, so I'm gonna try to post more videos every day so y'all can see what's going on. But until then, I'll see y'all later. Bye. So this customer right here told me that they had somebody clean this before and they had these spots on here and they couldn't get them off. As you can see, these don't rub off. I mean, I don't know what the hell they used on this, but it doesn't rub off. So what I did was have some really good adhesive cleaner that I use to get these off. I'll try to do this and hold this at the same time, just so I can get this stuff off. So like I said, I don't know what this is, but she says it's been on the car and she couldn't get this off, and just a little bit of this is taking it off. So this is general purpose adhesive that I use just to get this stuff off. It stinks very badly, but as you can see, it works very well. She'll be happy to see this, to show her that we got all this out for her and she doesn't have to worry. She was kind of panicking, worried about it. Told her don't worry, take care of it. So you can see I got everything off here. A couple of touch-up spaces here. But as you can see, generally it's come off. Alright, now this one is really dirty. So I wanted to show y'all what this looked like. Do some before and after pictures of this. This is really dirty. So you can see, I'm getting ready to hook this up. I already started washing this one a little bit. And then Keiko's over there, she's doing the Mazda Now interior. Got a long way to go. Alright, I see y'all. Here it is, the end result. All cleaned up.